Alright, so today's video addresses the question, will Reuben Foster be the next great Alabama middle linebacker? And just to give you a little history, starting since Nick Saban's been there, we had Rolando McClain, and then we moved on to Dante Hightower, and then it was, C.J. Mosley and Trey Dupriest, and now we're on, and then last year it was Reggie Ragland, and now Reuben is kind of stepping up into that mantle this year. The question is, can he replicate the success of all those guys before him? So in general, we recognize that Rolando McClain, Dante Hightower, C.J. Mosley, Reggie Ragland were the greatest ones. The one that I kind of was shaky about was Trey Dupriest, and when he had his chance to step up and be the leader, it kind of showed that he kind of wasn't on the same level as those other guys. Also, seeing as how he's not having as much success in the NFL as those other guys are having as well, uh, he didn't really fulfill that role. And by that Alabama middle linebacker role, I mean he's the leader of the defense. He can play both the run and the pass well enough, and kind of calls the plays, and really creates an impact on the offense by being out there. And I kind of worry that Reuben Foster may not be able to do that as well as Reggie Ragland did last year. So when Ragland was out there, I saw him running every play, making sure that everybody was in the right place, calling the plays, chasing down running backs, covering tight ends when action, whatnot. With Reuben, and I noticed since he's been there, he had a little discipline issue with tackling, and that was that he would drop his head and run into the ball carriers that way, and he wouldn't wrap up as well. So his technique was a bit off, and he was having trouble getting on the field. He didn't really start and get a lot of playing experience until last year next to Reggie Ragland. And even now, I would notice, he would have like a little lapse in coverage a little bit. He's talented, so I'm gonna give him that. He is very talented. Runs, can tackle, hits hard. My question is, can he actually take that next step up to lead? Those other linebackers who were doing great, I believed in them from the beginning. I knew they could do it. With Reuben, though, he hasn't proven as much, and so there's questions. Like I said, he's talented, but now I need to see how well can he lead this defense. Can he make those calls? Can he be counted on to make a proper tackle in those critical situations? Can his pass defense improve? Like, that's not claiming that Reggie Ragland had the greatest pass defense as a linebacker last year, but he did well enough. I'm wondering, can Reuben Foster do that and maybe even more? And so we'll see what happens. Uh, I like this Alabama defense. That probably is the one area, along with maybe how the D line will hold up in the run defense. Um, but that is the one area that has the most concern for me with this Alabama defense is, can Reuben Foster step up and be that lead middle linebacker that impacts the whole defense and makes the offense feel his effect this year for Alabama? Let me know what you think. Do you think Reuben Foster can be that linebacker this year? Let me know what you think about the defense in general, and be on the lookout for more videos. Thank you.